Switzerland's beauty extends far beyond its breathtaking mountains and pristine lakes, to its charming towns where fairytale landscapes meet timeless architecture. Each town offers unique cultural experiences, scenic beauty, and a sense of tranquility. Here are 12 of the most charming towns in Switzerland that promise an unforgettable visit. 1. Zermatt. Nestled at the base of the iconic Matterhorn, Zermatt is a paradise for outdoor lovers and photographers alike. With its car-free streets, cozy chalets, and access to some of Switzerland's best skiing, Zermatt is a haven for those seeking both adventure and serenity. 2. Interlaken. Surrounded by Lake Thun and Lake Brienz and framed by the Jungfrau region's dramatic peaks, Interlaken is an adventure hub. Visitors can enjoy everything from paragliding to serene boat cruises, with the town's beautiful landscapes as the perfect backdrop. 3. Lucerne. With its medieval architecture, wooden chapel bridge, and breathtaking views of Lake Lucerne and Mount Pilatus, Lucerne is a storybook destination. Visitors enjoy lakeside promenades, charming old town alleys, and a lively cultural scene. Grindelwald. Known as the gateway to the Jungfrau, Grindelwald is an idyllic village surrounded by lush meadows, jagged peaks, and winding trails. In both summer and winter, visitors can indulge in hiking, skiing, and taking in panoramic views of the Bernese Alps. Lauterbrunnen sits in one of the most beautiful valleys in Switzerland, surrounded by cliffs and dotted with cascading waterfalls. With its traditional Swiss chalets and easy access to stunning hiking trails, it's a dream for nature enthusiasts and photographers. Montreux. Set on the shores of Lake Geneva and known for its annual jazz festival, Montreux is as lively as it is scenic. The lakeside promenades, the medieval Château de Chillon, and the surrounding vineyards make Montreux an unforgettable Swiss destination. Thun combines history and beauty with its charming old town, stunning lake views, and the majestic Thun Castle. Known as the gateway to the Bernese Oberland, it's an ideal destination for a mix of outdoor activities and peaceful lake moments. Synonymous with luxury and alpine elegance, Gstaad is a chic resort town that attracts the elite and adventure seekers alike. From luxurious boutiques to ski slopes and gourmet restaurants, Gstaad is a place to relax in style. Dubbed the gateway to paradise by painter Giovanni Segantini, Soglio enchants visitors with its cobbled streets, wildflower-filled meadows, and sweeping views of the Bregaglia Valley. It's a small but enchanting town that feels frozen in time. Appenzell. Known for its colorful buildings, traditional customs, and beautiful surroundings, Appenzell is a charming town with a rich cultural heritage. It's famous for its scenic hiking trails, vibrant festivals, and hand-painted buildings in the town square. Andermatt. Once a quiet village, Andermatt has transformed into a top ski and golf destination. It retains its alpine charm with scenic surroundings, historic bridges, and winding mountain roads, making it perfect for both adventure and relaxation. Engelberg. Home to Mount Titlis and surrounded by lush landscapes, Engelberg is a tranquil town with Swiss hospitality. Visitors can experience the famous Titlis Cliff Walk, picturesque mountain views, and the historic Engelberg Abbey. Your TBS Global Travel website makes it easy to plan the perfect trip to Switzerland, from flights and hotel stays to curated experiences in each town. Let visitors discover the heart of Switzerland, where enchanting towns meet breathtaking landscapes, creating the perfect travel memories.